Hey guys, what's up? I just got back from my local card shop and I picked up these 2 packs. I thought I'd make a quick video. So yeah, let's get into it. So 2 Upper Deck Series 1 16-17 packs. Okay, so we got some base here. There we go. Oh, the first card here. And these are just more base here. These guys, just more base. Base. Okay, next pack. I don't know why, but I always struggle opening packs on camera. Okay, here we go. Let me focus this here. There you go. Base, base, base. Oh! Morgan Rally UD Portraits. And we got some more base. So those are the 2 packs I just got there. Base. These are the 2 inserts here. Super Colossal. And UD Portraits. That's it for me for this video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at trade_or_sell_sports cards, and check out my Facebook page and like my Facebook page, which is the same name. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and like the video and comment what packs or boxes you want to see me open up next. Thank you for watching.